back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my favorite style hacks for petite women to help you elongate your frame and feel taller. Let's dive right in. Vertical lines are a petite woman's best friend. They naturally draw the eye up and down, making you appear taller. Try incorporating vertical lines into your outfit. It could be a shirt or some pants. I, for example, have two striped dresses. The vertical lines don't have to be represented in the pattern. They can even be graded by the style of the item. For example, this coat dress has a long straight lapel on each side, which creates an illusion of vertical lines. So does this cardigan, for example. Another example would be pleated skirts. Pleats create visually vertical lines, making you look taller. On the flip side, horizontal stripes can have the opposite effect, making you look wider and shorter. High-waisted bottoms are a petite woman's best friend. They visually lift your waistline and make your legs look much longer. Pairing them with a tucked-in or cropped top works best to keep your proportions balanced. Avoid low-rise bottoms or oversized tops. They can make your torso look too long and legs too short. Cropped jackets and tops are perfect for petite women because they highlight your waist and don't swallow your frame. They also work well layered over dresses or skirts for a polished look. Long, oversized jackets can overwhelm a petite frame and make your legs look shorter. Cropped or tailored outerwear is a much better option. Monochrome outfits are your secret weapon. Wearing one color head to toe creates an uninterrupted line that instantly elongates your frame. Whether it's white, black or even a bold color like teal, this trick works across the board. Just make sure the fit is streamlined to avoid looking boxy. Avoid too many color breaks or contrasting patterns as they can visually cut your frame into sections and make you appear shorter. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to try something new with your wardrobe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and let me know in the comments which hack you'll be trying first. See you in the next video.